So it's that time of year again, and it's so crazy that like every time I'm kind of like forced to take a break, I'm always coming back around this time of year. You know what time of year it is again. It's Pride Month, and I'm freaking excited. If you want to see what I did for my looks last year, you can click in the video like up here. Let's get to what I'm gonna do this year. We're gonna start off with the rainbow flag. So I'm just gonna put primer on my face and down my neck. Also gonna put my little froggy on. I feel like I should get like a special rainbow one just specifically for when I'm doing Pride Month makeup. And we're gonna contour. This is my favorite because I just like hopefully can help you guys kind of express yourself through makeup, and I just want to be part of that. I feel like makeup is so expressive, so it's just So I'm also kind of contemplating like if I want to do rainbow eyebrows because I love doing colored eyebrows. My beef with it is I feel like it's gonna be too much, and like if I yeah, we're not gonna do rainbow eyebrows, but at some point, I'm sure I'll do rainbow eyebrows. Now I gotta cover up those eye bags. I think what I really like about Pride Month is I get to just like go through all of the flags, which have like gorgeous colors, and then I have to get really creative about it. And I want to be really creative too, because I want to be able to like represent everybody's flag in a way that they would like, and they could wear it to like any pride event, and then I would be like, I made that look. Let me do my eyebrows really quick. I'll be right back. And a lot of blush because like this is also gonna be part of the like eyeshadow look. Gotta blend the colors right into the blush. Then I'm gonna add some powder to tone it down a bit. So I'm going to take some red on a little fluffy brush, and I'm going to just like push that into like my nose eyebrow thing, you know, whatever this is called. I'm just gonna kind of blend that in. You know, it took so much to not just do like a rainbow eyeliner look because I'm really into graphic liner right now, so just be impressed that I came up with an eyeshadow look. A little bit more. I'm gonna blend that out a little bit more up into like my nosy contour place, bridge thing, whatever this is called, and kind of blend it down my nose, just a smidge. I'm going in with a little bit of orange and blending that like into the edge of the red and still kind of like in my eyebrow. I'm gonna take some yellow and I'm gonna blend that in with the orange. I don't know if you guys saw those like rainbow blush looks. I also want to do that. I was like, ooh, what if I did a like rainbow blush look, or like I just have so many thoughts. I just want to do so many things. I still am super excited for this look though. The one that I came up with, cause like, woof, like a weird cut crease. I don't know what this is called, but I'm excited for it. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and now like kind of cut the crease of this now. So now I'm gonna go in with like this broken angled brush. I have a non-broken one. I just don't feel like cleaning it. It is covered in like gel liner and I just don't want to deal with that right now. So anyway, taking this angled brush, going in with some green, and I'm gonna kind of make a little pointy point here, which I might touch up a bit with some colored water liner. I'm obsessed with my water liner, my water activated eyeliner right now, but it's fine. I might go touch that up after. For now, still this green. And I've got that in a little triangle shape. I'm taking it a bit above my little like crease thing. I'm making a bit of a mess in the front of my eye, but like now I'm gonna go in with some blue. And I'm gonna tap that for now. Then I'm gonna blend it into the green. And out. A little under my eye. Alrighty, and now I'm gonna go in with the purple. And I'm going to take that into kind of like a triangle-y type thing here. And I'm blending it into the blue. I'm also really blending it out so that it kind of like blends in a bit with the pink. Now, I do not know if there's an easier way to do this, but I am taking that like angled brush again, getting a little bit of concealer on there, and I'm gonna kind of line right above those colors, just to sharpen them out. Alright, so now I am going to take a little bit of black eyeshadow and line my lid, because I want kind of like a smoky liner look. I do feel like my eyes are a little too dark, so I'm just going to add like a little bit of highlighter over top of that blue. Just to make it pop a bit more. And I'm gonna do my lashes and lips and I will be right back. Right, and this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I think that it would also be really cute if you paired it with like some glitter freckles or like some rainbow freckles or even some like rainbow hearts. Like putting rainbow hearts here would be so cute. That would be so cute. Anyway, guys, I hope you try this makeup look. I hope you wear this out to like some Pride event and like have all of the fun ever. And I hope you like it. I think it's cute. But yeah, let me know if you like this. Let me know what your flag is in the comments if you want. If it's not outing yourself, it might be one that I do next. I wish I could do all of them, but there's like so many different flags. And a lot of them are the same colors, so only do so much in a month. But anyway, let me know if there's any cool events that you're going to be going to that's not doxing yourself. Don't dox yourself. Say, hey, yeah, I'm going to a Pride parade like next week, and I'm gonna be like, yo, dude, that's so cool. I'm so jealous. I hope you have a lot of fun. Or like a cool little like party. Yeah, tell me all about it. And I hope you guys have a really awesome Pride month. I will talk to you next Monday. Bye.